Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are fine and doing well. Today we are diving into the world of handmade beauty with trending crochet bag design ideas that will inspire your next creative project. Whether you are a seasoned crocheter or just starting out, these stylish and functional bag designs are sure to catch your eyes. Perfect for everyday use, the classic crochet tote bag is both stylish and practical. You can play with different stitch patterns like granny square, chevron or cell stitch. Use cotton yarn for durability and add woven handles or leather strap for a chic finish. These bags are ideal for shopping, beach days or even work. Bring out your inner free-spirited with a bohemian style sling bag. These designs often include tassels, fringe and earthy tones. Circular motifs, mandalas, or macrame-inspired details make them pop. They are perfect for festivals, casual outings, or pairing with flowy dresses. Yes, crochet backpacks are a thing, and they're adorable. Create a structured mini backpack with thicker yarn and tight stitches. Add a flap with a button or buckle closures, and make even a font pocket. These are great for teens, kids, or anyone who love a trendy twist on functionality. Eco-friendly and effortlessly cool, mesh bags are super lightweight and a great way to carry groceries or beach essentials. Try using colorful yarn for a playful vibe or strictly neutral tones for a minimalistic look. Bonus point, they fold up nicely and are reusable. Crochet bucket bags are stylish, roomy, and easy to make. Use a solid base built up with single or half double crochet and add a drawstring closure. These are great for blend of fashion and function and work wonderfully in both casual and semi-formal looks. Hello.